get in the kitchen, I just thought of giving this short story, what I encountered here in Germany, and specific for what we are going to prepare. So I was invited somewhere for dinner, and we went and the food was there, so it was time for us to eat. When you are new to some kind of the food, you need to ask what is it called. So I asked, what are we eating? Yeah, and they said this is couscous. If you are German now, you understand what couscous is. And so I was like, okay. In my understanding, if you tell me couscous, in English, it means a kiss. And so I was just wondering, but it's the same pronunciation, but how the spellings is just different. So I was told it's just called couscous. So I tasted the meal, and it was, we say here, it is lekker. It was yummy. And so I decided, okay, why not try it at home? And now we are going to go in the kitchen and just try it out. What you need in this recipe, you need a lot of vegetables, you need lamb meat, you need some spices specific for this kind of couscous. Okay, we put there is a mixed spice called couscous spices, and you need cumin powder, you need also paprika and other sort of spices of your choice, but this couscous mixed spice, I have it, yeah. And cumin, I don't know what is cumin in English, maybe it's like that, cumin in Dutch. That is what we are going to put in our recipe today. In this recipe, we are going to separate because some of the people here doesn't take meat, and we are going to separate to cook vegetables separate, and then lamb meat and the half of vegetables. Which vegetables to use is of your choice. I'm going to show you the vegetables we are going to put, and so you can put like that or just add more. You cannot make a mistake on that. So it is going to be yummy. I'm going to tell you, watch our video and learn something today. And our couscous is just going to take 7 minutes. Yes, not the vegetables exactly, but the couscous. But the couscous, if it is made or it is prepared but by the people from the origin, they can take 2 to 2.5 hours. These now are overnight soaked chickpeas. This is our lamb meat. These now are vegetables. We have the courgette or zucchini, rupchen or turnips. We have the pumpkins. Now we get to work. We're gonna prepare everything, and you're going to see all the vegetables what we put. Something like carrots, I didn't say, and we have something like celery. And if you like, you can add more vegetables like small potatoes. You cut into pieces, which we are going to put also later. And so at this point, I'll let you watch our cooking. If you are watching us this far, I want to thank you so much. If you would like to support us, leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, tell us if you have ever tried this couscous before and which spices do you put on. I love spices from North Africa, the curry, the cumin, the coriander, and all that stuff. That's what I put mostly in my recipes. So enjoy the rest of the video. I won't speak more, and this is self-explained, and I wish you a guten Appetit. We say it good appetite in Dutch. So stay tuned and see you at the end. is our couscous. It looks like rice, but here it's just smaller and round. So I put my here I put my mixed couscous spices and coriander leaves, yeah, and a bit of oil. You can put butter if you like, salt also, and then you put some hot water. You just measure. If I put 2 cups, then I put 4 cups of water. It's just like rice. All you need to it is just settle down and it's done. And here is our couscous, and it's yummy, yummy, yummy. So karibuni sana, let's eat together. Make sure you try this and see you next time.